Here's an oddball goodie. Found at the thrift store today. $7. I mean, I saw it, I'm thinking, holy shit, it's a box fan. But then upon close inspection, at first I thought maybe it was a heater fan because you see the front grill looking all weird. But it's not, it's one of them electric box window fans. So, kind of pretty cool, I guess. So, let's take a look. It's badged International. And it does have the night light, kind of like a pilot light thing. It's got 5 speeds. I took the knob off to see if it could come off, so I'll get that back up in a minute. Yeah, $7 as is. Which could be something simple as maybe a break in the cord. Maybe. Well, actually, also because I've noticed that the push buttons is very hard to push, so. And maybe the thermostat may need to be cleaned, so. There's no information available that I could see, but I'm sure somebody can help me with that. The motor looks like it could be a Fasco. So. So I guess what we're going to do, we're going to squirt some contact cleaner in it and see what we can do. If it does work at all. Yeah, this switch is up. You have to, I'll take it apart. I really don't want to. I just want to see how well this thing will run. Who knows? Okay, after dousing this with WD-40 and contact cleaner and letting it soak for about 2 hours or so, let's see what we got. It's a little better. I can press it now. And unfortunately, I broke one of the pieces that holds the grill. So right there. Because what happened, I tried to remove the cord. Because it's literally pressing up against right here. And I thought I fixed it and I broke it. So that's going to be a project for another time. So let's see what may happen. Right now. Okay, I got this thing powered up. And unfortunately, it did run, but I forgot to turn the camera on. And it was in reverse, so no exhaust. So let me put this in and see what we got. This is on low, so that's a lot of watts. And 2.8 amps, so yeah, this thing is an energy hog. I'm a bit curious. On 278. Cool. Let me put this on reverse and put it on low speed. No exhaust. Gonna run on high for about, or excuse me, high plus. Actually, super. See what that does. Cool. That's right, guys. This is going to do it for this video of this Honkin International Reversible Box Fan. No information available, but I'm sure somebody will tell me. It was like $7 and it didn't work. So pretty much a couple hours of soaking the switches with WD-40 and contact cleaner, it's working back again. Now whether or not it's in spec, I don't know. Because, like I said, no information is available. Then I'm sure if I tear this apart for a restore, I probably will find the informations, but who knows. So, get this oiled up, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, still no informations. And needless to say, like I said, one casualty was the cage guard that snapped. But when you have a 60-year-old plastic, it doesn't, they're going to be brittle. So, till next time, whatever it is, I'm Eskie. Thanks for watching. Come back, open.